See the Cadillac running down the road. Shoulda had me one, but ain't got no dough. Need me a car, gonna make the boys know I'm a big man putting on a show.
Shoulda had me one, but ain't got no dough.
Come on, sing it.
See that Cadillac running down the road. Shoulda had me one, but ain't got no dough. When I was coming up, my daddy told me, son, you gotta be a man, a real son of a gun. The world is full of trouble, it wants to break you down, so you better not fumble or they'll run you off this town. Every time I get a break, why do I always hurt myself? I'm gonna get this right. Ain't gonna hurt myself no more. The devil is a nice guy. The devil is a nice guy. The devil is a nice guy. The devil is a nice guy.
He smiles in your face when he takes you to his place. He's such a nice guy, and he loves the human race. Now
for my prescription to be filled,
I don't need no doctor. I don't need
no, I don't need no doctor for my prescription to be filled. Oh, no. Only my baby's arms can never, ever take away this chill.
Anybody see my soul around? Hole inside is all I found. Maybe there's still a chance for me. If you could forgive me, I don't know. Give me this one last chance, yeah. Lord, don't let me go. Don't let me go. Sold my soul for a pile of dough. Sold my soul, got nothing to show.